In Canada, same-sex marriage is more than a legal right. It's a powerful symbol of equality, resilience, and love triumphing over prejudice. Since its nationwide legalization in 2005, Canada has stood as one of the world's earliest adopters of marriage equality, setting a precedent that rippled across continents and courtrooms. The journey to this milestone was paved by decades of activism, courtroom battles, and quiet courage. Couples who once had to hide their love now walk hand in hand through city parks, exchange vows in historic churches, and celebrate their unions with the same joy and dignity afforded to any other. The legal recognition of same-sex marriage also transformed public spaces. Pride parades evolved from acts of protest into jubilant festivals of inclusion. Corporations began offering equal benefits to all married employees. And in quiet corners of the country, families grew. Children raised by loving same-sex parents found their homes recognized and protected under the law. Yet, the story isn't just about policy, it's about people. It's about the elderly couple who waited decades to say, "I do" in front of their grandchildren. It's about the poet who found their muse in the freedom to love openly. Canada's stance on same-sex marriage reflects a broader national ethos, that dignity belongs to everyone, and that love, regardless of gender, is worthy of celebration. In every wedding toast, every shared dance, and every quiet moment of commitment, there's a reminder that progress is possible, and that the heart, when given room to speak, always finds its way home.